guys, this is me Spencer. Today we will be going on an extreme bike ride. Oh my gosh, so many people. And we will. Nope. Okay, nothing that bad. So far, nothing bad. Okay. This is awesome. Whee!
Are you having fun? You were scared earlier.
People! Oh my god, there are so many people!
It's okay.
How much longer? How much longer do I sustain this torture? How much longer?
A couple of minutes.
How much longer?
Say something interesting instead of just screaming.
Well, how else am I supposed to be suspensed?
Well, you can talk about your favorite building. Can we see it from here?
Okay, my favorite building is that green one. You see it?
Not really.
The green plant. You see it with green plants?
Yeah, I see it. No screaming now. You're all right. Trust me.
Look at that building! I'm in that man! Yes, do not stop that video! We need more entertainment!
Yes, you're our entertainment. You're all the entertainment we need.
Yes, entertainment! So keep the video going! Until we'll be so alive!
You're so crazy.
You're crazy! Cars everywhere!
Now you're okay. Stop screaming or we're going to get off. You're okay. He's got it under control.
No, he doesn't.
He's told you that numerous times. He's got it under control.
My friend's Julie in house. I meant babe. But that's the screaming.
Hotel Julian.
Oh wait, that's gonna be awesome.
I can take a picture of it, but then I'd have to stop the video, which you don't want me to do. So there you go.
Now let's go back to screaming.
No, let's not go back to screaming. Let's go back to pretending everything is okay, child.
Whoa! Everywhere! Things! Shh! Shush! Why do we have to shush?
Because
Because why?
you're crazy.
Gosh,